Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your new deck belt on a Cub Cadet XT1. It's a 42-inch deck. This is my neighbor's mower. He's got the brand new belt right here. And it's a MTD 754-05021 is the part number. It's a 54-inch, I'm sorry, it's a 75-inch belt. So unfortunately I don't have the packaging or anything. My neighbor, I told him, said, here's your problem, you know, it's your belt. Told him, gave him the old one, told him go buy a brand new one. So I went to work, come home, this mower, you know, it's sitting in front of my garage with a new belt. What you gotta do is you gotta slip it in between these two pulleys right here. One's your deck belt pulley, one's your tensioner pulley. It has two tensioner pulleys, one on the other side. And what you got in between them, slide it around, get it over your guide plate, or your guide pad, some people call it, that holds the belt onto the pulley. Oh, I'm sorry, on this model it doesn't go over there. Alright. We're going to go ahead and while we're here, actually we'll do the engine pulley last. We're going to go to the other side now. Alright guys, we're back on the other side. We pull it across, loop it through this deck pulley and around this other pulley. One second here, I'm gonna get my pry bar so we can install it around the engine pulley. That bracket's right in the way. And get to the other side and work around the other side. And there you go, guys. So you see, she's on there. Alright, and that is how you install your new deck belt on a Cub Cadet XT1, a 42-inch deck. If y'all found this video useful, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Y'all have a great day.